Hello everyone, my name is Lokesh Sharma and I teach the VARC section for CAT and other MBA entrance exams. I have secured more than 99 percentile in the VARC section of CAT and I am now launching a new plus course for all the Mahcet aspirants who will be taking this exam next month. Now, Mahcet is pretty similar to CAT, at least in the VARC section. However, it has some of its own idiosyncrasies. It is these idiosyncrasies, it is these differences that I'm going to focus much on in the plus course that I'm launching. In this course, I will explain to you what are the different components of the VARC section of Mahcet. Also, we will focus especially on the previous year Mahcet papers, and we will keep in mind the pattern that has been followed in the last 2-3 years in this exam. So whether it be reading comprehension or vocabulary or grammar or the different kinds of critical reasoning questions that one sees in this exam, we will focus on all of them. So make sure that you enroll yourself in this course, and if you are not a plus subscriber already, please get your plus subscription. Thank you.